Now let's review what we learned. You can pause the video if you need more time to answer the questions. Let's begin. What do we call the method of multiplying numbers where we use strips of a certain length that we add to itself multiple times to get the answer? The answer is strip method. What do we call the property of multiplication which tells us that the result of 7 times 4 and 4 times 7 are just the same? The answer is commutative property. Using the tape method, multiply 7 and 4. The answer is 28. So if we use the strip method, we can draw strips that are 7 numbers long 4 times. That's a second 7, that's a third 7, and this is the fourth 7. So these are strips that are 7 numbers long multiplied 4 times, which is 7 times 4. And 7 times 4 is also just equal to 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. So if we add 7 plus 7, we get 14, plus another 7, we get 21, plus another 7, we get 28. And that's it for now. Remember to keep on practicing your math skills with our sample exercises and workbooks. See you then.